There is nothing more powerful than hunger. The hunger to be more, to do more, to give more, to become something more than you've been before.
It's about ready to show up. It's about taking imperfect action.
I stumbled upon Dean Graziosi. From that moment onwards, things changed.
This is an amazing opportunity to start the next stage of my life.
I felt really motivated because it all spoke to my heart. Everything suddenly became very clear. It's really a dream path I'm following now.
I busted the belief of the significance, and I busted the other belief of no, I can't. And I replaced it with yes, I can.
Thank you for helping me realize that I could be serving at a higher level, that I could be impacting lives and having a jolly good time doing it.
The time is right now. Give yourself permission.
I'm so happy and thankful for Dean, to Tony, and everyone for helping me become the true version and the best version of myself.
We want to say thank you to Dean, Tony, and all the mastermind team. Because of you guys, we made our dream and vision come true.
What I really needed was clarity. Dean and the mastermind team were my pathfinders. I'm on my path now.